Fuel tanks, they're full. Make sure the caps are on. Radiator's clear. Check the back, no leaks. Tires conditioned. Ground locks are out. All this canvas stuff is secured. The last thing I'll do is turn the brakes on. We have a shut off in here because it's air brakes. The air goes to radiator shutters, hot air door, and to the intake. So the problem with all that is if you leave it on, it'll be gone in 30 minutes or 40 minutes. And the little compressor can't keep up with it. It's at full power, it's fine. Again, just basic security. We've been flying this every day, which is nice. What else have we done that's different? Tires, wheels, and condition. We just changed these. Caps again have to be on the fuel tank. Got to be secure. Not only so the fuel doesn't get siphoned out of there, but we also, the tanks are pressurized, so 2 psi goes into the tank, and that feeds it all to the main tank. Again, we're just looking for security. Flaps are good. Typical British airplane, oily mess. This one actually is not too bad. Jury struts for the wings. Again, just general condition. Empennage, elevators, rudder. We have little stops in here. We just check these all the time, little rubber gizzies. And sometimes these come off. I've got spare ones in here. And the elevator. And last thing I'll do is turn the brakes on. The engine has already been pre-oiled. We did that with external power cart because it just hammers the battery. And then we'll just, hopefully we'll get a start right away. Yesterday it was a little cantankerous. I'm not sure what happened there. So I'm gonna turn the brakes.
Captain Eddie at the controls of the Firefly, former Navy pilot. Central Coast AirFest 2025 as the Bearcat taxis right back into parking. See how much smaller that aircraft was as compared to the earlier Hellcat. Great shot of that very, very short wingspan as it taxis in.